Hello, P4. Welcome again in our Math 4 class, and this is Miss Claire. This video is the continuation of the first lesson for Chapter 11 about decimals. So, from the previous video, you learned about Lesson 1, tenths. In this video, you will learn about hundredths. Okay, so the learning objectives in this lesson are to read and write hundredths in decimal notations, to recognize the place value of each digit in decimals, and also to place decimals on a number line. Okay, P4, are you ready? So relax, sit back, and enjoy learning this video. Okay, we are now in lesson 2. It talks about hundredths. So what is the difference between tenths and hundredths? Okay, so let's say we have one whole. If we divide one whole into 100 parts, one part is what we call hundredth. So this part with color green or shaded with green is one part of one whole. So one part is what we call 100th, or we write as decimal as 1/100 or 1/100th. So 100th, if we want to write this as a decimal, take a look. It will look like this, 0.01. So take a look, children. It's different with tenths. From the decimal point, we have two decimal places. So if we have two decimal places, so we have 1, 2. So two decimal places, it means that it is part of hundredth. So this part here is one part of hundredth. Okay, next. So remember that 100th means one part out of 100 equal parts. Okay, take a look at this one. How many parts are shaded with green? Or how many parts out of 100? Okay, this is 24 parts because this is 10. So another 10 is 20, then we have 4, so 24 parts. So 24 parts out of 100 are 24 hundredths. So if it's already more than 1, we put S. Or we will write as decimal like this, 24 hundredths. So 24 hundredths, if we write this as a decimal, like this, 0.24. So again, since this is part of hundredths, there are two decimal places. So 0.24. Okay, remember that, children? Next, so I have here a full. So this is 100 hundredths because all are shaded with green. So this is equal to one whole. So remember, children, 100ths is equal to 100/100. Or this is one whole. So again, 100 hundredths make one whole. So if we have 156 hundredths, how does it look like when we write it as a decimal? So let's express this number into a decimal. So 156 hundredths is like this, 156. So we have, this is 10, this is 20, 30, 40, 50, and we have 6. So 156 hundredths. So the 100 here is equal to one whole, right? So remember, 100 hundredths is equal to one whole. And the remaining 56. So therefore, 156 hundredths is equal to 100 hundredths plus 56 hundredths. The 100 hundredths is equal to one whole, plus 56 hundredths written as decimal is 0.56. If we add them, that is 1.56 or 1.56. Okay, now try to observe these hundreds and tenths, children. This one is divided into 100. And there are how many parts shaded with green? Yes, 10. So this is 10 hundredths. 10 hundredths. How about this one? How many parts this bar divided into? There are 10 parts. And out of 10 parts, 1 part is shaded with green. So this is 1/10. 1/10. Do you remember 1/10? This is written as 1/10. If 10 hundredths, 10 over 100. But if you observe them, are they equal or not? Okay, let's see. So 10 hundredths, if we write as decimal, is equal to 0.10. If 1/10, if we write as decimal, is 0.01. Are they equal? Yes, they have the same value. 0.10 is equal to 0.1. This is, I will show you why they are equal. Remember that 0.01, this one is equal to 10 hundredths, right? How about if we have 10? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have 10 sets of 10 hundredths, that is already equal to 1/10. That is equal to 1/10. If you add all of these, children, this is equal to 1/10. That's why 10 hundredths or 0.10 is equal to 0.1. Take note on that. Okay, again, let's study about place value of decimal numbers. Before, in tens, we only stop until tens. From decimal point, then tens. This time, from decimal point, we have another, after tens, is hundredths. So take a look our place value chart. We have tens. Our tens is only 1, so we have only 10. Our ones is 3, so we have 3 ones. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, right? Then we have tens, we have 2 tens, so 2 tens. 2 tens, that is equal to 0.2. Now we have hundreds. How many hundreds? 4. So we have 4. So 0.01, that is 1, but we have 4. So I put here 4. Now, 1/10, 3 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds is equal to, if we add all together, take a look. 1/10 is 10, 3 ones is 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 0.2 plus 0.4 is 0.24. Plus, if you add 13, that is equal to 13.24. Take note, 13.24. So the number 13.24, see, look at the digits, the number. This number 4 is in the hundreds place, and the value is 0.4. This one, yeah? Okay, how about the digit 2? The digit 2 is in the tens place, and the value is 0.2. So 0.2 plus 0.04 is 0.24. Next is the number 3, or the digit 3. It's in the ones place, and the value is only 3. This is already the whole number. The whole number starts from ones, this one. And the last digit is the digit 1, and it is in the tens place, and the value is 10. So again, 13.24 or 24 is equal to 10, this one, plus 3, this one, plus 0.2, this, plus 0.04. So these are the different place value of numbers with tenths and hundreds. Okay. Numbers or decimal numbers in hundreds can also be shown in a number line, just like the tenths. So again, I have here a number line, but this is only not until 100, but this is only from 0 until 0.1. So from 0 children to until 0.1, if we divide the number line into 10 equal parts, one part of that is 0.01 or one part out of 100, just like the fraction bar. So from 0 to 10 over 100, so one part is 100. 100. If already two parts, 200s or 0.2. Three parts, 300s or 0.3. 400s is 0.04. 500s is 0.05. 600s is equal to 0.06. 700s is 0.07. 800s is equal to 0.08. 900s is equal to 0.09. Then 10 hundredths is equal to 0.1. So this is how to show the decimal numbers in a number line. So during our Zoom meeting, let's try to place these decimal numbers here in our number line. Okay, before, that's all about lesson 2, hundreds. Now you can observe which one or what are the difference between tens and hundreds. So during our Zoom meeting, I will discuss more about hundreds. Thank you for watching before, and always remember to stay safe and healthy. So see you during our Zoom meeting. Have a great day, everyone.